Yes, good afternoon. Today we are going to tackle the topic of cell biology, and the objectives are as follows. The first one is to understand the structure and purpose of basic components of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. That is the macromolecules, membranes, and organelles. The second one is to understand how these cellular components are used to generate and utilize energy in cells. The third one is to be able to distinguish the cellular components underlying mitotic cell division. On the introduction part, we get to see the cells as the fundamental building blocks of life. They're the smallest units of an organism that can be characterized as living. Humans and many other organisms are multicellular. That is, they consist of cells consist of one singular cell, such as bacteria, algae, and fungi. This was the first form of life on Earth about 3.5 billion years ago. The first scientists were the Robert Hooke, was the first to use the word cell in the 1665. While the Antony van Leeuwenhoek was the first person to ever observe a cell under a microscope. That was in the year 1674. On the next slide, we are going to look at the structures, and there you are able to see the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. You see there are distinguished differences in their structures, and that is it. The next part is the energy transformation, and there's a video. Not video, there's an audio about it, and I'll just give you a glimpse of what is explained there. There's glucose that is being changed through glycolysis process, the release of the ATP, and the release of sodium. Then the pyruvate, acetyl-CoA. That is the process that goes on in the energy transformation.
Yes, my name is Tabitha, and I'm going to take you through the process of energy transformation in cells. Glycolysis is an ancient major ATP producing pathway that occurs in most all cells, either eukaryotic or prokaryotic alike. This process, which is
that is this what is going on in the energy transformation. Then we have the cellular components underlying mitotic division. There is a video there that I'll post it to you on your website that you can be able to see. Then, as we are going to summarize this topic today, let's look at the cell functions, cell structure functions. The first one, we have the nucleus contain genetic information, that is the DNA in animals, plants, and fungal cells. The second one is plasmid A, contains small rings of DNA only found in bacterial cells. Then there is another function. Cell membrane controls entry and exit of substances such as oxygen and carbon dioxide. The next function is cytoplasm, liquid inside cell containing organelles, the site of various chemical reactions. The other function is cell wall, the outer layer of plant, fungal, and bacterial cells, which helps support the cells. Vacuole, membrane bound sac that stores a solution of water. Then we have found in the plant or fungal cells. Then we have the mitochondrion, main site of energy, that is ATP production in aerobic respiration in animals and plants and fungal cells. Then the chloroplast, the site of photosynthesis in plant cells. Ribosome is the site of protein synthesis. So today we've looked at the cell biology, and I believe we have achieved most of the objectives, and I wish you well and thank you. Let's meet on the next class.